Ant Academy. The poisonous reptile cobra.
They're a group of venomous snakes belonging to the family Elapidae. They are well known for their distinctive hoods and are found primarily in Africa and Asia. Here are some key points about cobras. Characteristics. 1. Hood. Cobras are famous for their ability to expand their neck ribs, creating a hood when threatened. This display is often used as a warning to potential predators. Fleeing. While they can be aggressive when threatened, many cobras prefer to escape rather than confront predators. Ambush predators. Cobras often use a strategy of ambush when hunting for food, waiting patiently for their prey to come close before striking. Cobras primarily feed on small mammals, birds, and other reptiles. They are skilled at hunting and can swallow prey that is much larger than their head. Size. The size of cobras can vary significantly based on species. The king cobra, for instance, can grow up to 18 feet long, making it the longest venomous snake in the world. Ambush predators. Cobras often use a strategy of ambush when hunting for food, waiting patiently for their prey to come close before striking. Habitat. Cobras inhabit a variety of environments ranging from forests and grasslands to urban areas. Some species are more adaptable and can live near human settlements. The enemies of the cobra are hawks and peacocks.